so we're at the coin factory. Let's explore a lot. Let's go. This is a big wall of coins. There's so many coins here. If you had these coins, you'd be a billionaire.
Yeah.
Let's go upstairs. There's coins on the stairs.
Yeah.
There's coins everywhere here. The huge painting of coins. It's so big. All the way to that end. Let's go look. There's big coins. It's so big. $1, $2, $50, $20. The coins are so large here. Let's go further into the
We have it.
In colour, I don't know what colour.
I think the colours come off.
I mean, they used to have it.
There's different types of coins. There's mountain coins. There's mountain coins and very unique coins. There's a big coin here. This is a sterling coin. The final product, the coin. It's very cool. And I don't know how much dollars it is, but it looks very cool. This is where you can get coins.
What?
That's the green. That's the green.
My Thai table.
No. Wait now.
Now we have to wait. The coin will fall through here.
Yeah, it's coming.
Now we got a coin. Blue. Blue. This looks so cool. Let's go further down. We have to explore a lot. There's a lot of machines here. They're very interesting. Let's go more deeper into the process. I think this is a dead end.
Is it?
Let's go somewhere else. This is a machine where they make coins. It's very big. Let's go further. This is the food coin hall. It says it right there. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.